Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the ÁLMOK tutorials. What time is it? Chill out. Today we will learn the time. Let's get to it. O'clock, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Facilísimo, ¿verdad?
30, half past, 1:30, half past 1, 4:30, half past 4, 8:30, half past 8, 12:30, half past 12.
¡Ay, qué fácil!
15, quarter past, 1:15, quarter past 1, 2:15, quarter past 2, 6:15, quarter past 6, 10:15, quarter past 10.
¿Así de fácil? ¡Sí!
45, quarter to, 1:45, quarter to 2, 5:45, quarter to 6, 9:45, quarter to 10, 11:45, quarter to 12.
Es un poco más fácil.
Past, 1:05, 5 past 1, 2:10, 10 past 2, 10:20, 20 past 10, 12:25, 25 past 12.
Eso fue muy fácil.
2, 1:35, 25 to 2, 3:40, 20 to 4, 6:50, 10 to 7, 9:55, 5 to 10.
¿Eso fue todo?
Easy peasy, right? Then let me ask you some questions. But before that, remember to click on the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell.
Okay, Polilla.
What time is it? Correct. It's 3:15 or quarter past 3.
¡Qué pro!
What time is it? Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. What time is it? Yeah, it's 12:30 or half past 12.
¿Qué? Mega Pro.
What time is it? Yeah, it's 9:45 or quarter to 10.
¿Qué? Pro.
What time is it? Correct, it's 11 o'clock.
¡Qué fino!
What time is it? Marvelous. It's 6:15 or quarter past 6.
¡Qué giga pro!
What time is it? Excellent. It's 8:30 or half past 8.
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
What time is it? Fantastic. It's 10:45 or quarter to 11.
¡Qué pro! ¡En 3!
Woo!
Now here comes the ÁLMOK challenge. What time do you get up? What time do you start classes or work? What time do you finish classes or work? What time do you sleep? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to keep practicing your conversation and skills, then come and join us for a free class this Saturday at. Thanks for watching us. I'll see you around, pal.